So we have here a Buick, and that's what we have. And we're going to show you how to do the wipers, how easy it is. Look at this. No tools required other than these. Flip the lid, slide, and pull up. These are kind of tight because they're brand new, but you get the idea. See? Same thing on the other side. Pops right off. Now just have a number on it. Don't break your windshield, yeah. That's what that is. Now let's go get the other one. Show you the same thing. Same thing. Flip the lid. Slide. Slide to the right. Come on, puppy. There you go. Don't break your windshield. And here it is. Focus. And there you have it. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.